In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a sticker on iPhone Messages app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages, then enter a conversation, and then all we have to do in order to send a sticker to a conversation is just tap right here at that plus, then tap add stickers right over here, and after that we'll be able to select any emoji, or we can tap right here to get to the stickers tab. We can easily add any picture from our camera roll as a sticker here. And also, if we tap right there, we'll be able to find the recently used emojis. In this way, we can send it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.